screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Yes. So VSA. When we started exploring the existing tools, we noticed a few major challenges. First of all, setting up these tools is quite tedious, especially for small companies that don't have dedicated tech teams. Most of them need complex installations, configurations, and integrations, which can easily take hours and even days just to get started. Secondly, data labeling. Manual data labeling, though important for maintaining accuracy, takes a lot of time and effort. For large data sets, this becomes really exhausting and slows down the entire process. Another big issue is collaboration. There isn't really an easy way to manage multiple contributors or track who's working on what. It gets confusing when you can't see progress or design assigned tasks clearly. And finally, the most existing tools don't offer proper access control. There's no support for role based permissions or real time teamwork, which makes it hard for organizations to control who can edit, review, or just view the data. All these challenges clearly show how there is a need for something more efficient. To solve all the challenges we discussed earlier, we built a lightweight, secure, and easy annotation platform. This platform covers all the perks or all the challenges from the existing tools. The main goal is to make data labeling simpler, faster, and more collaborative. Setting it up is super easy. Even small teams without a technical background can easily get started. Collaboration is the major focus of our solution. Multiple contributors can work on the same dataset efficiently, and the admin can easily track who's working on what. We have also made it possible to hire external annotators to label the data while ensuring that only the necessary details are visible to them, keeping the organization's data safe and private. On top of that, we have added a dashboard where admin or internal team can check the annotations and mark any incorrect or poor quality work as bad. This makes it easier to maintain quality and consistency across the dataset. VSA bridges all the gaps in the existing tools. It's simple, collaborative, secure, and efficient. It allows users to upload images or even zip files containing datasets and organize their projects easily all in one place. It supports adding external collaborators but only for annotation purposes. That means they can work on labeling tasks without having access to any sensitive or unnecessary data, ensuring full data privacy and security. We also have added built-in options to add, review, and manage the annotations so that the entire workflow from dataset upload to label data export becomes smooth and efficient. Here is a quick live demo to create an account and sign up. Then, while logging up, just enter your email ID and password. When we hit on the login button, here is the view. Firstly, when we click on create new, enter the name of the project, the description of the project, add classes. We can add classes simply by clicking the plus like this, or we can simply enter the classes here. The sequence of the classes will be as per we enter. When we click on create button, the page where we upload the images or zip files appear. We can just simply add images. So when we click on upload. The image has been successfully uploaded. Then we can annotate it by clicking on annotate rectangle. If we want to annotate it as a rectangle, we can annotate. The If we want to delete any annotation, we can simply click on the annotation and click on the delete. That annotation will be deleted. If we want to see the XYZ coordinates of this annotation, when we click on square, the XYZ annotation will be visible. We can then move it if we want. We can mark it bad if we feel that the annotation is not good. And when we click on save, the annotation will be saved. We have added one more feature, that is the dashboard. When we click here and we click on dashboard, the dashboard will be visible. Annotated images, the number of annotations we did, total annotations, uploaded images. We can review the annotations by clicking on the review button. We can mark it bad if we think the annotation is poor quality or incorrect. Also, we have a feature where we can add the collaborators. Here is the add collaborators. When we click on this, and if we enter any email ID, then we can assign their uh, role as a developer or the annotator, and we can add the annotator, invite the annotator here in the project itself. We can export the project by clicking on the export project, and it will be downloaded in the form of zip file. If you have any questions, like how the tool is used, how to sign up, and how the data is exported, and you can ask me the questions.